Greetings, 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 and welcome to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. When people ask you how you do, what you tell them? You tell them say you're blessed and highly favored? Well, you think you're really, really blessed? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 11 from verse 27 to verse 28. Same time Jesus attack, one woman in a crowd bawl out. The woman will bring you into the world and will take care of you. Really bless. Jesus answer and say, the people them will hear God's word and do it say, are them really bless. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.